Hi again and welcome to another edition of Candy Tuesdays. Today I have a special candy, licorice panda, the new raspberry licorice small, short sticks. I lived in Philly for 3 years and I really loved the licorice candies because they weren't just, the regular dark black licorice. They had so many different flavors, strawberry. But this one is new. This is a raspberry, so I'm going to try it. Let's see. The bag smells really good. Like a Ziploc protection. You see? Raspberry. Looks natural. Let's try it. It's really soft. Really soft. It actually does taste like raspberry. It's not a strong raspberry taste, but it is a good raspberry taste. On the bag it says no fat, it's fat-free, no preservatives, no artificial colors, and no artificial flavors. So it contains actual real raspberry. Really good. The thing I like about it the most is that it's really soft to eat and easy to eat, and it's just really good. And I like that, of course, you can close the bag. I didn't realize I'm reading the back now. They've been making licorice since 1927. It's been a long time. So anyway, there you are, the new raspberry panda licorice sticks. Short, small sticks. See you again next week for another edition of Candy Tuesdays.